Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
There's some shredded cabbage, a few carrots in there too. I got this from a bag. All right, the other star of the show is mayo. This is Duke's mayo. Remember that. Some vinegar. Instead of sugar, I'm going to use a packet of Splenda, salt, pepper, and some lemon juice. Hey, Mike Foster here. How's everybody doing? It's a simple recipe. This is simple slaw, simple coleslaw. You're not going to believe how simple and easy this is. Those ingredients, I'll put them in the, I'll put them down below, and I'll give you all the amounts I use, but I'll also mention them as I put them together. This is fast, simple, and easy. So it'll take you 5 minutes. Check this baby out. So simple, simple, simple slaw. You're going to do 8 ounces. This is 16 ounces, so we're going to just do half this bottle. Eyeballing it. You can use a measuring cup if you want, but I'm a professional. There's half. I'm using Duke's. You can use Best Foods if you want. No one cares. I'm going to put it's 2 tablespoons of sugar. But this stuff is pretty sweet, so I'm just going to put one of these babies in. 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, so that's a little less than 1. There you go. Okay, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. There we go. Salt and pepper to taste. Not too much. And now your pepper. I told you it was simple. Then you're just gonna whisk it up. Use a fork, use a whisk. You don't need to put it in a blender. But what you do need to do is when you're done whisking this, you're gonna put this in the fridge, get it nice and cold, about 10 minutes or so, and I'll see you then, and put the coleslaw, the simple slaw together. See you then. Hey, before we put that in the fridge, my wife reminded me just put a little dab of mustard if you just want a little different zing bada bing in this. You'd be surprised how that takes it to the next level. Now we'll put it in the fridge and I'll see you in a few. The coleslaw mixture has been in the fridge for about half an hour. This is about 12 ounces of shredded cabbage. So let's just put that in there. I didn't put it all in. We're going to see how it all mixes together. Oh yeah, it's going to want the whole thing. All right, let's mix it in. All right, finish mixing this all up. We'll take a nice big bite. There's your finished product. What'd I tell you? Fast, simple, easy. Now let's see if it's delicious. Big bite coming up. All right, there's another close-up. You know the ingredients. I'll have them in this video to let you know. Quit dragging your feet, Mike. See how it tastes. Tastes just like coleslaw. The cabbage is fresh and crunchy. You get the tang from the vinegar and the lemon. Sweetness of that little fake sugar. And the creaminess of that mayo. Oh. Simple slaw. Anytime you need it, you know how to make it. What's nice about this is you can, if you like your coleslaw more juicy, put a little more of the sauce in. If you like it more dry, you do that. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
And some squeeze of lemons. Lemon. Don't forget to drink your lemon water, and then when you're done with these, put them down the garbage disposal like this. It's a natural way of making your garbage disposal smell really nice. That's what she said. That's really good. Will that stay up there? Baba. If I dropped that all over the place, my wife would have done a simple butt kicking. Baba again.